Rumors about Kylie Jenner joining OnlyFans have been circulating for months, stirring up excitement and controversy across social media. Fans have speculated whether the billionaire beauty mogul is using the platform to promote exclusive content, or if there's something deeper going on behind the scenes. With Kylie being one of the most followed celebrities in the world, anything she does attracts massive attention, and the idea of her having a hidden agenda on OnlyFans is enough to send the internet into a frenzy. The whisper started when fans noticed subtle changes in her social media behavior. Cryptic captions, suggestive photos, and an increase in premium content on other platforms all seem to hint at something bigger. Some insiders claim that Kylie might be using OnlyFans to experiment with content outside her usual glamorous persona, while others believed it was just another business venture in her ever-expanding empire. What really fueled the speculation was the discovery of a mysterious account linked to Kylie. Several online detectives pointed out eerie similarities between her public posts and those of an anonymous OnlyFans creator, leaving everyone wondering if Kylie has been secretly operating under a different name to test the waters before making an official announcement. Kylie Jenner is no stranger to making strategic business moves, and if the rumors about her involvement with OnlyFans are true, it could be another calculated step to dominate yet another industry. With OnlyFans generating billions of dollars annually, it's not surprising that Kylie would want a slice of the pie. However, what sets this apart from her other ventures is the mystery surrounding it. Speculation suggests that Kylie might be using the platform to offer exclusive beauty tutorials, behind-the-scenes content, or even lifestyle insights that fans wouldn't get anywhere else. But is there more to it than just content? Some experts believe Kylie could be testing a new marketing strategy that leverages the exclusivity and direct-to-fan engagement OnlyFans provides. The exclusivity factor could work in Kylie's favor, making her content feel more personal and intimate compared to Instagram or TikTok. If successful, this move could reshape how influencers and celebrities connect with their audiences, offering a more controlled and profitable environment. Kylie's family has always been at the forefront of major trends, and it's no secret that her older sister, Kim Kardashian, has paved the way for groundbreaking business ventures. Kim's ability to turn controversy into profit could have inspired Kylie to take on this secret OnlyFans endeavor. The Kardashians are known for their ability to reinvent themselves and stay relevant in an ever-changing digital landscape. It's rumored that Kris Jenner, the mastermind behind the Kardashian-Jenner empire, has given her blessing and is closely monitoring this venture. With the family's extensive experience in managing high-profile business deals, Kylie's OnlyFans strategy could be a calculated move to tap into a lucrative and relatively unexplored market for A-list celebrities. Moreover, Kylie's friends and fellow influencers have also been linked to the platform, which might have influenced her decision. Seeing the success of influencers who transitioned to OnlyFans, Kylie may have felt it was the perfect time to explore this opportunity discreetly before making any official announcements. If Kylie is indeed involved with OnlyFans, the financial gains could be staggering. Reports suggest that top creators on the platform make millions each month, and Kylie, with her immense following and brand influence, could easily surpass them. This could potentially open a new revenue stream that aligns with her luxury lifestyle and business goals. Some analysts believe that Kylie might be using OnlyFans as a testing ground for a more direct-to-consumer approach in the beauty and fashion industry. The platform allows for personalized interactions, which could translate into higher engagement and more sales for her products. Additionally, if the rumors are true, this move could provide Kylie with more creative freedom compared to traditional social media platforms. Without algorithmic limitations and strict content guidelines, she could explore more daring and innovative ideas that would resonate with her dedicated fan base. The media has been relentless in speculating about Kylie's potential involvement with OnlyFans, and it has only added fuel to the fire. Major publications and gossip blogs have been dissecting every move she makes, analyzing her posts and looking for hidden clues. Headlines like Kylie's secret side hustle and OnlyFans and Kylie, the truth revealed, have flooded the internet. Despite the buzz, Kylie has remained relatively silent, neither confirming nor denying the rumors. This strategic silence has only amplified curiosity, making her fans more eager to uncover the truth. Could this be part of a larger marketing ploy to generate interest before a major announcement? Even late-night talk shows and entertainment news channels have joined the speculation, debating the potential impact of a celebrity of Kylie's caliber entering the OnlyFans space and what it could mean for the platform's credibility. Fans have taken to social media to express their thoughts on the rumors, with reactions ranging from excitement to skepticism. Some supporters believe that Kylie joining OnlyFans would provide an unprecedented look into her life, offering content that's more personal and raw compared to her usual highly curated image. On the other hand, critics argue that Kylie doesn't need another revenue stream and that this move might be unnecessary. They fear that her involvement could overshadow smaller creators who rely on the platform as their primary source of income. Regardless of where they stand, one thing is clear: Kylie's name attached to OnlyFans has everyone talking. Has she found a way to maintain exclusivity while capitalizing on curiosity? Fans are eagerly awaiting any hint that might confirm or debunk the rumors. If Kylie is indeed behind an OnlyFans account, what kind of content could she be offering? Speculations include exclusive beauty tutorials, behind-the-scenes glimpses into her daily life, and even business tips for aspiring entrepreneurs. Some fans are hoping for more candid and personal content, something that traditional platforms don't allow. There are also rumors that Kylie could be testing limited edition product drops through the platform, offering exclusive deals to subscribers. This could revolutionize the way influencers monetize their content and engage with their audience. With Kylie's keen business acumen, it's likely that she's carefully curating content that aligns with her brand and ensures maximum profitability while maintaining her signature allure. While the potential benefits are enormous, there are also significant risks involved with Kylie's rumored OnlyFans endeavor. Given the platform's controversial reputation, associating with it could pose challenges for her brand image. Kylie has always maintained a balance between luxury and relatability, and any misstep could result in backlash. Additionally, sponsorship deals and partnerships could be affected if brands feel that her association with OnlyFans doesn't align with their values. Navigating this fine line requires careful planning and execution to avoid damaging her reputation. Despite these risks, Kylie's track record suggests that she knows how to turn controversies into opportunities, and if anyone can pull off such a bold move, it's her. If the rumors are true, it won't be long before Kylie makes an official statement. Whether she fully embraces OnlyFans or distances herself from it, her next move will be crucial in shaping public perception. Kylie's ability to adapt and innovate has always set her apart, and whatever she does next is sure to keep fans and critics on their toes. Is she setting the stage for a larger digital revolution? Or is this just another fleeting social media trend? As speculation continues to mount, only time will tell if Kylie's OnlyFans secret is real or just another internet hoax. Whether she joins or not, the buzz surrounding this topic highlights her undeniable influence in the digital age. One thing's for sure: Kylie Jenner knows how to keep the world guessing, and this OnlyFans mystery might just be her biggest yet.